2025, oh, grabe. Roller coaster ride for me. I can't pick just one. I would say it's my 2025 is full of love. Definitely. I felt so loved, especially sa mga tao na tumulong sa akin para malagpasan ko lahat ng mga pagsubok natin nitong 2025. Joy, because of course, Joy, part pa rin si Joy. Yung Hello, Love Again. Parang lahat yon nadala ko pa rin si Joy until 2025. And I'm very joyful as well sa mga nangyari sa akin personally. And hope, feeling ko itong last quarter of 2025, I would say, it challenged or tested our patience, but it makes me hopeful about the situation na this year, sana maging hopeful tayo until next year na things will get better and we just have to pray and be hopeful about the situation. So, yan. 3 words. To all our kapamilyas, maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat. Ito yung pinaka taon na iniintay natin lahat. So I hope you get to celebrate it with your loved ones, kasama po ang pamilya nyo. Sana lahat kayo ligtas. And kung ano man yung celebration na gagawin nyo, kahit gano'n yan kasimple, basta sama-sama, yan ang pinaka-important. So I'm wishing you a very blessed 2026 and sana i-end nyo ang year na to with a grateful heart. Merry Christmas, kapamilya!